Okay, this is example 9, so you need to refer to example 9 on the worded examples file. It's the question about the psychology lab where there's researching the colour preferences of young children. There's 6 green toys and 4 red toys. And we want to know the probability that the child chooses 2 red toys. Okay, let's use a tree diagram first just to set up the problem. Okay, so we'll have so they can either choose red or green on the first choice, this is choice number 1, or they can do red or green, red or green, and so that's the second choice. Okay, so there's, what is there, 4 red out of the 10 toys, so 4 out of 10 chance of getting the first one of the red, and I might write it this way this time, write it here, 6 out of 10 chance of it being green. Okay, now if they've chosen red on the first choice, that then means there's only 3 red left here out of 9 toys. Okay, there, and there's 6 out of 9 green, and then there's, if they choose green here, there's 4 out of 9 red and 5 out of 9 green. Okay, forgive my tree diagram, that's pretty ugly. Alright, but that's not really the important thing at the moment. Alright, what I want to show you is this. What you should notice is that every entry on the branches has a conditional probability. Okay, so if you get red here, it's on the condition that you also got red here. And if you get red here, it's on the condition that you got green here. Okay, so there's conditional probability here. Okay, so that's why, let's look at the multiplication rule. So the probability of A and B occurring says, alright, well then that's equal to the probability of A given that B occurs. Okay, so the probability of red given that red occurred here, or the probability of red given that green occurs, multiplied by the probability of B occurring. Okay, so that is the multiplication rule. So we're going to use that here. We're going to go, alright, what is the probability of us choosing a red and a red? Or actually in the example it's a child choosing red and a red. Well then that would be the probability of them choosing a red given that they chose a red on the first one. That's the only way they'll get 2 reds, is probability of them getting red given that they chose a red on the first choice multiplied by the probability of them choosing red. Okay, so that would come to 4/10 multiplied by, so 4/10, you can see up here, multiplied by 3/9. Okay, that gives us, what's that, 12 over 90, okay, which is 0.133. okay, so that's the probability of them choosing 2 red toys using the multiplication rule.